Honda Civics of the 9th generation were produced from 2012 to 2015. The Civic is renowned for its durable engine and low maintenance costs. It is a straightforward front-wheel drive compact that comes in a sedan or a coupe. The Civic's two-tier instrument panel and digital speedometer provide a comfortable interior. A tried-and-true conventional 5-speed automatic transmission is available on the 2012 and 2013 Civic. The Civic received a continuously variable transmission starting in 2014. Is a used 2012 Honda Civic a good car? Let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. TPMS warning light. The persistent check TPMS warning light is one of the most typical complaints from Honda owners. The issue isn't with the tire's low air pressure. Rather, it's with the tire pressure monitoring system software. For many owners, the issue has been successfully resolved by the software updates described in TSB #14006. Inform your Honda certified mechanic of the issue and have them upgrade the software to resolve it. TRW Crash Sensor. In a number of Honda vehicles, problems with the ZF-TRW control unit can lead to the failure of the airbags and seatbelt pretensioners. The devices have circuit-protecting diodes that turn off the system when too much voltage is applied. The government has been investigating these issues since March of 2018. Up to 8 deaths may have been caused by the issue as of right now. Extremely uncomfortable seats. Some Honda vehicles from 2008 to 2014 have uncomfortable seats for extended periods of time. Legs falling asleep, lower back pain, and an uncomfortable neck angle are common complaints. Honda hasn't taken any action, but a petition on the internet aims to get the seats changed. On CarComplaints.com's list of the top vehicle problem trends for 2012, this issue was ranked as the 7th worst issue. Honda doesn't consider this a problem. Peeling paint. Owners claim that what initially appears as discoloration quickly transforms into full sheets of clear coat peeling off. The exposed paint is easily scratched or damaged. Honda has only given owners advice like, avoid sunlight. In other words, the car needs to be repainted if the clear coat begins to turn white, as is the case with so many Hondas. And if you want it done properly, it can cost thousands of dollars. Soy-Coated Wiring. Honda uses an environmentally friendly and less expensive electrical wire coating made of soy. Additionally, it frequently draws rodents because they enjoy the nesting material. The options for prevention are typically bizarre and range from tape that contains capsaicin to coyote pee. Rabbits, mice, and other rodents seem to be drawn to the soy coating to use it as a chew toy and nesting material. Honda, in contrast to other automakers, appears to be aware of this problem and provides a remedy in the form of electrical tape that has been capsaicin treated. The same compound that makes chili into 5-alarm chili can also be found in hot peppers. The tape is available for purchase through dealerships and costs about $36 for a 20-meter roll. The Honda Civic ranks 3rd among 36 compact cars in terms of reliability with a score of 4.5 out of 5.0. Its excellent ownership costs are reflected in the $368 average annual repair cost. The Civic is one of the more dependable vehicles on the road because the severity and frequency of repairs are both much lower than those for other vehicles.